it's Jennifer with VP Addiction Adventures, and this is unbagging take 2, but I'm not gonna like set it all up. So yeah, if you hear movie noise in the background, that's okay, because it is my daughter's last day before school starts, and I did not have the heart to tell her to stop watching her movie. She is allowing me to talk during her movie, so more power to her. So yeah, I received something from Homely Decor Store. I had been watching Stitcherista, and I love when she goes to her stitching retreats and she gets a whole bunch of goodies, because that helps spread the wealth and what's out there, and then we go and find it, right? So those goodie bags really help the sellers out there. So she had received this, and I went onto Amazon, but it was like $9, $10, maybe $11. So I went on to AliExpress. Most of the time they were selling it for anywhere between $5 and $8 plus shipping. I think many of the AliExpress stores are starting to add shipping. My hypothesis is because of the tariffs, but who knows, right? I'm not going to get political here. So I found this, like I said, at Homely Decor Store. It was $1.79 plus shipping, which was $2.62, and I just tapped off the screen. And that equaled a total of $4.41. I will have the direct link down below in the description to check it out. So it was in this bag, and then in the bag it was wrapped nicely, and then here is the box it came in. So pretty good for going across the ocean, right? So this is considered a makeup brush holder. It has like a silicone top to it. Let's open it up and find out. Now I got teal. This even says blue right here. So, but I'm a little concerned because on the box it's check marked pink. Pink is not really my color. Oh, yep, it is pink. So this did get mislabeled. So I will connect with them. I'm okay with mistakes. I feel like customer service is what makes up for those mistakes, because we all make mistakes. So I will contact them. If they decide to send me one and I can keep this one, I will be doing this in my 2,500 subscriber giveaway, because I don't need 2 of them. So I want to share the wealth. Also, I have this philosophy: if I get something for free and I don't need it, I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to give it away and pass it on free to somebody else. So I will keep you posted on what happens there. Now, what is this? This is, you've probably already guessed, a way that you can hold your diamond painting pens, right? Like even ones that have ends on them, you can stick in there because of how deep it is. And I keep my pens in here, my nice ones that I use all the time, but I will probably use this on the side. But then also here's some smaller ones. Now if you use a normal pen, there's even these small little areas you can stick it in. Now watch this. Oops, I didn't have that one in far enough. You can turn it over and shake it, and look, it's not going anywhere. Here, let's try this again. See? You can also put in your tweezers. Now, you can put them in like this, but knowing me, I'm probably going to ruin the silicone part. So I am going to find my protective cover. Please do not do this unless you have your protective cover, and I'll probably put it in like this with the protective cover. So my tweezers will be right here. So I'm super excited to be able to use this right next to me. I do tend to go from pen to pen through a project depending on if I need. Now your straightener might not fit in here. However, it is divided in the middle, so you may be able to push it aside and stick it in there. Yeah, I just thought of that. So I will probably use this next to me once I get my teal/blue one to be able to keep my pens that I'm using if my arthritis kicks up or I'm going back and forth between multi-placer. Plus, I have a lot of cool pens, so I want to use them depending on what my, sorry for the noise, what my mood is. So yeah, that's, I also want to show you that if you end up dropping drills in there or it gets dirty, you can pull this part off gently, right? And then you can clean it out. And then this is what I was talking about. I will be careful just to make sure that I don't damage the corners so that it splits open, but that, there you go. So I will be contacting them, seeing what they say, and we'll go from there. So thank you so much for all that you do. Thank you. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber already, would love to have you as part of our family. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like to be notified when a new video is up. So until next time, be blessed and take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.